can never run from me, Maya!
I'm coming back for you, Father.
What if I told you that the video you just watched wasn't made by a film crew or shot with a real camera? I mean, there wasn't any director yelling commands. It was created entirely using AI. And yes, a brand new AI video generation model has just dropped, and I'm not really sure many of us even know about it. This new model is currently one of the most accurate and realistic AI video generation models available. It creates highly cinematic videos with accurate physics, and overall, it can generate movie-quality scenes. Most of us who know about this model have probably tried using it, but to the best of my knowledge, it's either locked behind a paywall or simply too expensive. So in today's video, I'm going to test this model using a completely free method. Trust me, if you get this right, you might discover how to use it without running into those limitations. So I definitely wouldn't recommend missing this. Click the subscribe button and let's get started. So, one of the best places to get updated models and AI features is Higgsfield AI. This platform has been very up to date when it comes to the latest AI tools and models. If you scroll down here, you can see some of what they offer. Right here, you can see Seedance 2.5, which is currently one of the most advanced video models. You can also find some other video models and features here. If you scroll down, you'll see the feature section, and you can choose to explore what the community has been creating. The community has been crazy. I mean, these videos right here are very impressive. Right down here, you can also find other AI features and some of the projects that have been created by the community. Now, today, we'll be focusing on the new model, and I'll show you how good it is. And definitely, at the end of the video, I'll give you a bonus tip on how to use this platform for free. So first, right inside the video tab, you can already see that this has been set to Seedance 2.5. If you look down here, you'll see that you can add any reference media. Right down here is the prompt box, and in the model section, you can find the different options available. After that, for the time frame, this platform gives you the opportunity to generate up to 30 seconds using this model. And for the resolution, it goes up to 720p, which is very good for a model like this. So before I started any video generation, I wanted to include a reference image. As you can see, it says that the image isn't eligible. So this is how you can get around that. Head over to the Image Generation tab and upload the image you want to work with. Then, I recommend using GPT Image 2 for this particular task. You can set your quality to high. Your resolution can go as high as 4K, and you can select the aspect ratio you want. So after that, I created my prompt. I went with something like this because we just want the face. After that, I clicked Generate, and this was my result. So, you can see these images came out exactly the way I wanted them. Back in the Video Generation tab, if you want to add a reference image, you can choose from your image generations. I selected mine, and then, for the prompt, I went with this cinematic, movie-like prompt. For the time frame, I went all in with the 30-second option because, yeah, I'm trying to push this to its limit. After that, I clicked Generate, and my video started processing. After some time, my result came out.
You can never run from me, Maya!
I'm coming back for you, Father.
Honestly, this output came out very good, and I'm really impressed with what I got. You can choose to try out the extend video feature, but my video had already reached the 30-second limit for this particular generation. So, if you have a shorter generation, you can use the extend feature to make it longer. If not, this option won't be available. Now, let's try out a few more prompts before I show you how to use this for free. So, after I entered the short prompt, I reduced the time frame and clicked Generate, and this was my result.
You know, I was just over there when a whole flock of wild birds just swooped down right at me. I had to duck behind a rock. Scariest thing.
As you can see, it definitely came out looking very, very good and almost perfect. I also tried out another one of my point of view prompts and clicked generate, and my result came out looking good too.
Just checking on the crops.
Now for the bonus tip. In the first video on this channel, I showed you how to generate cinematic long-form videos and ultra-realistic images for free using Higgsfield AI. Yes, Higgsfield, the best, if not the biggest AI platform you should know about. I also showed you how to get unlimited credits, and I'm currently doing a free giveaway of promo codes. All you need to do is check out the first video on this channel, or click the link you see on your screen. It will take you directly to the video. Just make sure you follow the instructions carefully so you can be verified. If you found this video helpful, let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.